Why did JavaScript come? It's basically to add spirit to web pages, to make it interactive with user interaction. Let's talk as well about JavaScript come from several languages. Basically, it take its syntax from Java, and string and arrays from Python, function from AWK programming language, first class function it take it from schema programming language, as well prototype based OOP take it from self programming language, and the last one web events in JavaScript totally take it from hypertalk programming language. JavaScript is not working today with web only. If you can see Node.js, it's using JavaScript outside the browser. As well in mobile world, you can see Cordova Ionic React Native is using JavaScript. As well, Electron is using JavaScript in a desktop application. And lastly, TensorFlow is using JavaScript in a machine learning.